Well, that is then the bevel stop adjuster. That's this one. And with this one you adjust the bevel, let's say, how far it goes, 47, 45. But now I made a round plate on it. It's old coin. Drill the hole in it and mount it on the bolt. So now you can twist it by hand. You see? So that's way more easy. And you don't need a pipe wrench or even a little socket. It was in this case 8mm. And now you can do it by hand, and that's way easier and way quicker. But just because it's a metallic 5, you need a very small hole, and I didn't have any washers in that size. So I thought, well, take an old coin and drill a hole in it and you're done. And the other side, same thing.